Hey guys, Mike from Urban Automotive, Oakville, Ontario, Canada, here with my man Anthony.
What's up?
We're here today to talk about a product that we sell here at Urban Automotive. People are always asking, how did you get my rims so clean? My rims look so nice. I put on my snow tires, they look so great. What is your secret? And we usually tell them 4 years of school. But the truth is, we're going to let the secret out now. We have a product called Clean Flow Multi-Clean Plus. Yes, we sell this product. It's a good product. How good? Why don't we take a look here, shall we? So here we got typical Mercedes brake dust. Anybody that owns a Mercedes, BMW, Audi, you're very familiar with this. To try to get this stuff off, usually you're with a hand scrubber, scrubbing or pressure washing, like to no end. Spending lots of time, wasting lots of time. Clean Flow Multi-Clean Plus, Canadian-made product, environmentally friendly. There's no skull or crossbones. Okay, we're not killing the environment. No skull, no crossbones. You can basically drink this stuff. Safe on rubber. Get in there. Get on there. How long we been on there? 5, 6 seconds? 10? How's that? I'd say that's pretty good. Urban Automotive, 497 Maple Grove Drive, safety first. Come and get your bottle.